Yep.
my feet here so it doesn't go flying.
4 balls
So I
underneath,
use
just
my
like
feet
in
to
baseball.
kind of hold the panel until we get placed, and I was too far away.
Oh, nice standing.
Okay, one second, because I need to move his right foot also. There we go. Okay, now I feel better. And same routine. Elsa's gonna release. I'm gonna hold higher up, and then I'm going to go down and just watch your right foot, Elsa, because if the panel goes forward, you're gonna get clocked. Jack, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.